Yo, 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 what up, everybody? We're back with another video, and I got Chase here, brother of mine. Say what up.
What's up, y'all?
Yeah, we lit. We're gonna be doing the Tesla Cybertruck challenge, where we're only gonna be using the Tesla Cybertruck, nothing else. We can't have any guns. We can have heals, but no guns. It's just gonna
Hey,
be
Gabe,
twinning. What up?
we got a let's just say we got a technical difficulty.
What you mean?
I'm trying to color my Cybertruck. Alright, there, stay that color, right?
I've been waiting so long to have me and him on the same thing, and it is now wonderful. Absolutely wonderful.
We're gonna have a great time together, bro.
Yeah, it ain't even about, ooh, okay. Just looking at my trail, that looks, oh, sorry. Yeah, this is nice.
We all said, ooh, actually, yeah. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, yeah. Alright, and also next video, I haven't done it in a while. Well, I haven't done it at all, but probably a little late to it. We got Deadpool and Wolverine. I'm gonna get the whole bundle. Maybe gift it to Chase. We'll see what's gonna happen.
Huh?
And then,
Yeah.
and then I got a couple challenges for them too. We'll do that. Whenever you're ready, you can ready up, Chase.
Yep. Alright, I'm ready up in 5. Alright, probably not be in 5 seconds. About like 10 seconds.
10,
Alright.
9, 2, 1.
I have to change my skin. I'll be able to do it.
Oh yeah, not to show off or anything, but I mean like, oops.
My controller drift. I'm about to crash out. I don't want to crash out.
We don't want my boy to crash out, because when he crash out, he crash out.
Yeah, sorry. Yay, I love my skin. Look at my boy win. You already know. He grinding all by himself. You know that he's just like that, you know?
Yeah, I'm just like that, you know. Chase better be like that too. If he hop on it, bruh.
Yeah, I gotta hop on it, bro.
Yeah, you gotta hop on it. Got my good 400 V-Bucks, you know. 400,
Nice.
400,
Nice.
A.
I wish you can like return battle passes and like no, never mind. That sounds stupid. my thoughts took over me real quick.
Return the battle. I was thinking, return the battle pass. Why would you want to do that?
Is heals allowed? Not quite sure.
Is what?
Heals.
Oh yeah, heals are allowed. Okay, we ain't like that now. We gotta have a little bit of an advantage.
Nitro Fist.
For movement, you can use it for movement. You just can't use it for
So
absolutely
once
destroying.
I get my SUV, aka my Cybertruck, I'm gonna drop the Nitro Fist because that's already movement.
Yeah, feel you.
What if we just stay at or like what if we rotate to gas stations with the car?
I'm down.
The hills.
Yeah.
I'm gonna probably just cruise because I don't want to do that all game.
Are we gonna be having our two like own Teslas, or are we gonna duo it like one Tesla, you and mine? And we just
do two?
yes, duo it.
Alright, and then once it gets serious, I'm gonna hop in your car, and you're gonna hop in mine.
Bet.
Feels pretty good to do a video with my best friend, y'all.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Yeah, y'all should definitely like and subscribe to his videos. He works hard on these videos. Takes a time out of his day to make these videos for y'all. So you definitely gotta lock it up.
Respect. He ain't lying though. He ain't lying. Y'all should hop on it, bruh.
You can't really watch videos that you ain't gonna like. What's the point of watching? You know?
Yeah, you gotta hop on the stuff, and I'm not meaning drug. What? Yeah, you just gotta hop on the stuff.
Yeah, I don't know what you mean by that. Look at my
yeah, we don't. Chase.
Like
Chase. You might want a weapon on your car. Yeah, good job, Chase.
Yeah, I think I might accidentally explode
That was such a smart move, Chase.
I know, right?
Bro, how did you
Well,
explode the gas station, but you didn't explode this part?
oh,
That's crazy.
alright. I gotta make sure. I'm gonna just buy some heals. I ain't gonna lie. I gotta waste my gold. I ain't gonna just.
Yeah, I mean, I only got 5K. So, like,
I just bought three big pots and three um no, actually four med kits. This is basically gonna be like a heal off here. I need that AR. No, actually, because you got the AR, so we can switch. You ready?
yep.
I
Let's
need to
go.
find I need to find bulletproof tires because I like how yours is pink and mine. I mean, mine's pink and yours red.
What?
Your boots.
Oh. Oh, yeah. I didn't know what you were talking about. I see some kids.
No SUV. I need it.
Why?
I don't want those tires.
You can
I
just
got 'em.
change the tire. Oop. Shots are being fired at me.
Alright, I'm coming. Good thing I got an AR in my inventory.
Yeah, even though you can't use it.
Yeah, I'm trolling, chat. Chill out, chat. I know you guys think that I'm really for real. Chat, chill out. Okay.
Guys.
Yeah.
Ooh, shockwave grenades. I'll just take that. Yoink. What the? Okay.
Hello.
Okay.
My car's so
Move!
you can't even. God damn!
More kids.
Oh wait,
More
kid.
kids.
Dang, what did you push with? Yo, somebody's throwing Pokemelons at me.
Oh, okay. What?
Somebody's throwing Pokemelons up. I mean,
Dun 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 dun. Time to go. Dun 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 dun
he
dun.
has a bow. How did I miss that bad? I'm actually kind of surprised. Well, actually, I'm not.
Jeez.
They're not like us. Hey,
Chase.
Kendrick, you should definitely shout me out.
Yeah, so. Yeah, boy. Yeah, you saw it. You saw it. Trying to throw a coconut at me.
Alright, I'll protect you with my little.
Protect me. Yeah, back up. You saw it. Behind you. Behind you. Behind you. Why is he throwing coconuts at me?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. What is over, bro? Is that all he has? No, what is
This boy had guns and everything, and this man throwing coconuts at me.
coconut?
More
Oh
kids.
crap!
More kids.
Actually, lock in. Just go. Give me my car. Yes. No, he's in. You're gonna die. No. Game. Run out, and you should heal me because I have med kits and I have big pots.
Oh yeah, he's just right behind me, and I don't have a gun. And now he's shooting at my vroom vroom car.
Alright, yeah, block it with your car. Block me with your car. Wait, no, shoot him. You can shoot him.
I don't have a gun.
Yeah, he's not
Help!
worried about. There's two people. Just
I'm
go.
gonna be right
Two
back.
people, just go.
I'm just gonna let them
No.
fight it. I'm gonna be right back, Chasey.
No, I think they're teammates.
I don't know, bro. I'm gonna be right back. I'm just gonna.
Just drive over my reboot.
Yeah, I got you. I'm gonna wait until they are done fighting it out. Heal my car. Get some car. No. No, leave me alone.
Leave me alone. Yeah.
Not dying to no bots now. My aim is so good. Trash.
Alright. Come on.
Oh yeah.
You got the
Hey,
coconut.
I love the dude with the coconut now. I can eat coconut. Help! Boy, yeah, what you want, cuz? Wait, is bro actually?
I like how your car is just breaking the dude.
Oh yeah, I just realized that. I thought that was me who was doing that. What is this glitch?
That's a W. Oh wait, I thought he was starting it and he was just making it build. Alright, come on. Wait. Wait, you can get the bulletproof tires so they won't shoot your tires.
Wait, do you see this?
Yes, it's like lines everywhere.
What?
You can get the
Coconut.
bamboo tires.
True. I'm gonna get that, and I'm gonna see if they're still there. I'm also gonna.
Why is their wheels popping out like that?
Why? Okay, give me you med key. Med key.
You
Med
should pick up
kit.
the bandages.
Yeah. I got you. And now I'm gonna go and get vroom vroom. Chase number 2. What?
Alright. Imagine they're just sitting there throwing coconuts at each other.
Just sitting there throwing coconuts at each other.
Look at your car. Your car is just beat up. But at least you can drive it and take it.
Oh dear. Did it not work? Okay, I got it. Time to go.
Turn. Oh, it just made you turn.
Help me, please. Oh God.
Disabled.
Help.
A disabled car.
Help.
Get out. Wait, you have, I was about to say you have shockwaves, remember?
No, I forgot. Alright, we're gonna try that again. That didn't work out well. Maybe we should try and find people with no. That is golden?
Yeah, you can change the color of your Cybertruck.
I want it. I need it. I wanna smell it.
I wish I could change the color, but I can't because my
How do you change the color?
I'll show you after this one.
If I wax. Oh. Bro, how you die with a medallion, kid? I gotta stop. I'm back in 2024, but it is 2024. Hey, if you would have hit that, bro got lasered to next level. About to make it like it's a da. Hello? Chase?
Yeah.
Gotta finish the lyrics.
Have you ever... Wait, what did you say?
I said you gotta finish the lyrics.
What lyrics?
The lyrics I just... Okay, never mind.
Not bad. I was thinking of, have you ever drunk thick water?
What?
Thick water exists.
Thick water?
Yeah, thick. Literally thick water. The water
Is it
thick?
like taste thick?
No, it's like the water is... You know how water is just like watery, right? This water is like watery thick. Like the water is thick. Like once you swallow it, it's just like thick. The water itself is just like thick, really thick.
2 things. One is you are absolutely demolishing my brain. It is hurting painfully right now. And 2 is why in the world are you saying thick like that?
Because I'm trying to make sure you know what I'm talking about.
I don't. You're confusing me. Thick. Water is just so thick.
Yeah, so...
I tell you something else that's thick.
Alright, you have no more room to talk it. I wish you could ride reboot vans. So you can just like reboot yourself as you're riding.
Chase, are you okay?
I don't know.
Ride reboot vans?
Yeah.
I mean, that'd actually be kind of sick now that I think about it.
Yeah. And like, yeah.
Riding on a reboot van?
This is my Cybertruck. I'm not changing the wheels. It's fine.
I need to buy... I need some shield.
Combo cookie for a lot. Oh, here.
Someone just snipes me while I'm emoting, just laughing. I don't know why. Or just hitting the renegade.
Right. Now I need to get this. I need to get a spike bumper.
Oops.
Yeah, dang. So you just lied. Alright, come on. We have to hit this together. Forever young, I will be. Oh wait, I forgot my sound is turned down. Forever young. Forever.
Let's go for something. for something.
Forever young, I will be.
Okay, I got copyright on this, so you gotta. Hopefully, your singing isn't. Chase.
Not forever young. That is a song.
Chase.
My bad if you get copyrighted. Never forever young. No one is forever.
The only way I'd get copyrighted is if your voice is just that good that it's just so good that it actually sounds like the song and I get copyrighted. Chase! How did I... That is just mean. I cannot use this, and I just got it out of the chest.
Wow. That is messed up.
You know what?
No. You're using a gun. Ooh.
No, I'm not. Just stay still. Stay... What in the world? Stay still.
No, you better not. Actually, no. Go ahead. You can't hurt me. You can't hurt me, boy. You can't hurt me. Because I'm just the main character. If you explode it, I'm literally gonna I'm just gonna kill you.
You're right next to me. Stop. Leave me alone.
See? You can't do nothing. You can't do nothing. You can't explode me. No, I hate you. I actually hate you. Me and you have beef from now on. 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 I'm about to leave the game. No, me and you have beef from now on.
No, I'm sorry.
No,
I'm sorry.
You got me tight.
Sorry, I didn't think it was gonna explode the car.
Nah, you got me tight now.
I'm sorry, Chase. I honestly didn't think it was gonna.
Nope, you got me tight. Oh, but
Chase, I'm sorry.
no, leave me alone.
We have to stick together.
Leave me alone.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't think it was gonna explode. I'm coming, Chase. I'm sorry.
Leave me alone.
I'm sorry. I didn't think it was gonna explode. I'm coming, Chase. I'm never gonna forget that. That is hilarious. You should probably get some stuff at the place. Oop, kid on me. 75. Chase.
No.
Sorry.
No.
I can't tell if these guys are real. They're real. These guys are real.
No.
Please, I do need your help. Chase, I need your help. Chasey, Chase. Oh my God. Just run. Run.
So why'd you tell me to come here? Why?
I don't know. You weren't supposed to listen.
So, alright, then I'll never will again.
No, I'm just
I'm
kidding.
gonna just shoot from the mountain.
Alright, I'm gonna go and find a gas station.
No, what? You're not helping?
No.
If I end up dead, that's your fault.
You should just come with me then.
No!
Oh, never mind. We're good. Chase, I'm gonna get copyrighted.
My voice ain't that good, so you can't get copyrighted.
Bro, if I get copyrighted, I'm gonna be mad.
Look at me breaking building and never coming back in the building.
Right not with you. Okay, where are we gonna go? We haven't killed one person. Chase, I'm about to strap C4 to your car again.
Better not, bro. Or else me and you just having beef. No, you don't even got C4, bud.
I'm about to go find some.
Exactly, you knew it.
Oh, watch me go find some.
Watch you fail and die.
Found some.
So you do it.
I did.
Nope, not possible.
Chase, where you at?
Where does it look like I am at?
Oh, hey, I found some nitro fists.
Yeah, but you haven't found what you said came from.
If I try and actually search for them, I will find them. Then I will.
I just got bulletproof tires. Now my car looks stupid. Now your car gonna go. No.
No.
Staying alive.
Chase.
Yep.
Chase.
Yep.
Chase.
The master of the artwork.
Stop it.
Master of my artwork. My master of my artwork. You're not escaping me, pal.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Chase, leave me alone. Oh. It loops.
Now you got bulletproof tires.
You got bulletproof tires too.
Both of our cars look stupid now.
Drifting. I'm a drifter.
Miss me. Now you gotta poop on me. Yo, I see kids.
Bet.
Do it. No. One more hit with my booty.
What? Oh. Chase, I think you got shot at.
I think you got.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yep.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah.
I'm coming to you.
Yeah.
They're shooting at me. I'm coming to you.
Yes, I got nitro fist. Alright, now we can score up. Wait.
Oh.
Crap.
Ow. Ow.
I'm getting pushed. No.
My Tesla Cybertruck needs to stay alive. Dang, you suck at hitting shots. How are they?
Pick me up. I can heal your car up. Hurry! I'm gonna push Mama Downs.
I'm coming. Maybe you should stop getting pushed by medallions. Ever think of that?
Maybe you should stop running. Ever think of that?
I can't. I'm good at running.
Alright. Heal your car. Throwing your car mid-air looks cool.
I can't do it again on purpose, though. So that sucks. Very much.
Imagine Fortnite was realistic, and then once I was
Kids,
in the...
kids, shoot the kids.
What? What's my aim on?
Got him.
I did.
No, I
Wait,
did.
yeah, you did. Nitro fist. Nitro. Nitro really can help.
Maybe I should stop fisting our car.
Yeah, because I literally just healed it.
Sorry.
Wait, kids. I would rather the bomb, bro.
Okay, what are you shooting at?
Both kids. There's one kid down there.
Oh. It looks crazy on my screen. Don't worry, I'm killing him. Let's go. We are the best. Move, car.
Dang, bro. Wait, this
Car, come here.
car is still... No, it ain't coming here.
Yeah. Lose.
Alright, let me in. I need an SUV. I see one. 5. Pick me up and bring me to it. While I hear your car.
I
Probably
missed.
just lowered the car. Alright.
Yeah, they're being
Got an
fired.
SUV. I escaped.
My aim is so good. But my driving isn't. Never mind, my aim sucks. You're not stealing my kill. My SUV's about to blow up. Yup, baby. I hate this. I hate this. Chase, please come pick me up.
I'm just bobbing
Hey, bro, the kid's an AI. You can go kill him.
Then why don't you kill him?
Because my car blew up.
If my car blow up, then me and you was having beef from now on? Yeah.
You know what? I don't need you. I just need my SUV. Okay.
Good for you.
I'm just gonna run him over. Come here, boy. I missed.
I'm tired of this house. I'm so tired of it. You know what? This house needs to go. Goodbye.
This player needs to go. Yeah, you suck.
Another nitro fish. Great.
Okay.
Alright, so come here so I can use his nitro on our car. Alright. Now I need to pick up this nitro. And then I gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go.
In the world. Okay, I need to find a gas station. A good gas station. Go gas station. Station of the gas station. I don't need a gas station anymore. Well, I mean, actually, I kind of do if I want to repair my car all the way. How did we make it to top 10?
In a Cybertruck.
In a Cybertruck? I really hope that it's not blown up. I hope that we got kids on us.
Yeah, it's not.
We got kids, and they're real. They're real. That's the deal. It's for real. I'm running. Run away. About to die. Hooray.
Oh, we missed that. I know we did it.
Going to the gas station over here.
I'll be with you.
Please hurry up then. Dang, this thing is slow going up mountains.
Yo, I think we're gonna get pushed.
I really hope we ain't gonna get pushed. Alright, I called dibs first. I want the gas station first. And now my tires look crazy.
I know, I almost ran into bulletproof tires.
I did run into bulletproof tires.
Scoot over.
Bro,
Hey, wait, me hitting you.
I don't know what's going on anymore.
Hey, that's a W. They just healed us a dub. Wait. Don't hit my car. Is there a coconut? Oh, no coconut. Well, I need this.
What were you gonna do? Throw a coconut at me when I die again?
Bro, that was never me throwing the coconut.
I know, but I feel like you're going to do the coconut.
Bye. I knew you were gonna try to hit me.
I wasn't. I was gonna go for the coconuts. What? Okay. Break time.
The pink and the black go so well with my car.
Just gonna do this for fun now.
And break your car after you just healed.
Whoa, I can see everything. That was cool. Okay, back in the car, baby.
Bro, are they just guarding the gas station at this point?
I feel like bro, they literally are. Look on the map. The medallion players are literally just guarding the gas station.
No, I'm getting pushed! There's a car!
You should probably go back to the gas. Oh, they're on you, bro.
Actually, help! I'm being dead for real! You're thinking this is funny! I'm panicking! Yo, Gabriel! My car!
You just run away.
I can't die, bro! I can't!
I shot at the car a little bit.
Oh, thank you! Go!
They're still on you. Bro, they are still on you.
No! Help!
Um,
No! Oh, yes! Oh, I got the healthy chance!
Chase, don't bring them to me! Why are you bringing them to me?
Bro!
They're still...
No way! They love me! Is it because I'm black? Yeah, it's because I'm black. Yep, 100%. 100%. It's racism on the team. Yep, that's racism! Come near me! Because my car's about to explode. Dead serious. No joke. All jokes aside.
Yes!
Yes.
Shoot at him!
Yes. Yes.
Oh, oh wow.
I need a heal. I need a heal.
Oh
Here,
wow.
pop this. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Oh my
Oh
gosh.
wow. That was actually
No.
crazy. You jumped out of your car to get in my car. That was crazy.
It's not
I'm,
crazy.
s- I'm so clipping that.
Wait. Kids, watch out.
Don't shoot, don't shoot. Let them fight, let them fight. Okay, yeah, just follow my directions of not
They
shooting.
still don't know where we are. Just back up a little bit. See, you're gonna get the shot.
Oh, hey, medkit. Whoa.
There's heals. There's heals.
What happened over here? Thank you.
That's when I was killing the kid.
We still don't have a gun. I'm just gonna take a little.
I'm gonna bring the car over here.
Okay, this is not cheating. I'm just gonna use the gun to knock the player down. If it deals any damage, then I'm disqualified. So maybe I should not do this, but I want to do it.
No, because you're gonna get them attracted, bro.
Holy mackerel, they are getting jumped.
Wait, yeah, you can break the build now. I want to see that. Break that one. Break that part.
What if, no, they're gonna see us. They're gonna see us. They're right there.
Then put them down. Put it down.
Whoops.
They just,
Give me.
you stupid. Hurry.
I can't be.
Storm, bro. We might have to do a heal off.
We might have to.
I'll drive. Yeah,
Alright.
hurry up, bro. They're here. They're trying to come near
Just
us.
stay on the edge of zone.
We going in a circle, bud.
Yeah.
But I'm so happy we don't got nothing but that. There's a kid in the store. Yeah, I'm freaking for them.
Wait, where?
There was a kid in storm surfing the thing. He was on a power line. What is up with these kids?
Wait, med mist. I'm gonna go get the med mist. I got the med mist.
Oh, hold up. Look, medkits. Go. Pick me up. Hit me. Go! My buttocks. Alright, you want to switch seats and I'll drive?
Sure. Oh god. Okay. Let's stay on the edge of zone. Because there's still 2 teams left.
I'm so happy that this car is so silent.
Same. Chase!
Sorry,
Was that worth it? Was that worth it?
Oh, no, it's 5. Taking 5.
Was that worth it? Ooh, rare chest. Oh god.
Hurry. No, mind. Don't let off. Alright, I'm gonna tell you when to switch. Switch so I can nitro blast the thing. Hurry.
Our car's getting destroyed.
Alright, go.
I'm going in
I'm
storm.
healing it.
Healing off. Get out.
I think we might have to just go.
If we go, we die, bruh.
I'm gonna die.
Okay, get in.
Go. I'm gonna just heal. Fast.
Oh god.
Let's go, car.
I'm coming. It's us. Hold on. Wait, can I make it? I can make it. I got 3 meds. Oh no. Uh-oh.
No. Hey, second place.
Second place, I'll take it. Back to lobby.
Take it inside a Cybertruck.
Only using a Cybertruck, second place, I'll take it. Thank you. Mwah.
Exactly. At least it's not no 20 place.
like last game.
Alright.
Well, that's going to end it off for today's video. You want to say anything else before we sign off?
Just like the video. No hate, all love.
Amazing. Let's get it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.